Now, these days, it seems to take longer than ever to wait for a lift. There may have been fewer people out and about, but with social distancing, we can't all be packed in. And also, you really don't want to get stuck in a lift with someone right now, not anybody. And that could be why smart lifts have been gaining popularity, as data could offer the solution.
The way we help is that we make sure lifts are up and running when you come to the office and you've been maybe waiting more in the metro, maybe more in the subway, and you just want to get to your office and you don't have to wait in a huge queue because out of 4 lifts, only 1 is working, for example. So the problem with lifts is that they don't work well. Basically, they break down on an average of 4 times a year. People get stuck into them for hours and hours, a total of 1,400 years of stuck people every year in the world.
So a smart box is connected to each lift, and using AI, traffic patterns are worked out from the data gathered. It means that breakdowns can be anticipated and lifts can be made available on the floors they're needed most.
We can provide to the building manager clear analytics of which floor are the most used, how are the traffic patterns during the day, which are the door cycles, and how he could actually reprogram the lift patterns to match the traffic patterns of the building.
That's it for this week. As ever, you can keep up with the team on social media. Find us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook and Twitter at BBC Click. And we'll be back next week. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.